Hello everyone, my name is Arcandres Diapole and for today's video I will be covering proof by contrapositive. What proof by contrapositive is? Proof by contraposition makes use of the fact that the conditional statement P, P in Q is logically equivalent to its contrapositive negation P and negation Q. When you want to prove if P then Q, sometimes it's easier to prove the contrapositive instead. The contrapositive is if not Q then not P. The key idea is P, P and Q and negation Q and negation P always have the same truth value, so proving one proves the other. This is useful when directly proving P and Q is hard, but proving negation Q and negation P is easier. Truth table contrapositive. This slide shows that truth table that explains why P and Q and negation Q are equivalent. This is why they are logically equivalent. Statement to prove. If n is an integer of 3n plus 2 is odd, then n is odd. Identify P and Q. Let P n is an integer such as 3n plus 2 is odd, then Q is n is odd. We want to prove if P then Q. Then switch to contrapositive. Contrapositive of if P then Q is if not Q then not P. So we prove if n is not odd, then 3n plus 2 is also not odd. Assume the contrapositive hypothesis. N is even, so by definition, n is equals to 2k for some integer k for compute 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 6k plus 2, 2 equals to 2. This That is exactly the definition of an even number. So 3n plus 2 is even. This proved that contrapositive. Since the contrapositive is true, the original statement is true. Therefore, if 3n is plus 2 is odd, then n is odd. That's all.